How's it going, everybody? This is Beat the Bush. Today, I'm going to review this foot massager. I've used foot massagers before, but not one where you actually stick your foot in. So this is the Miko Shiatsu foot massager. So I'm just going to open this up, stick my foot in it, give it a try, and let you guys know what this feels like. It comes with two remotes, I guess, in case you lose one. Instruction manuals, we don't need that. Plug this in, put this in there. Here are the controls. Let me turn it on. Right here it says how many minutes left. So this option is kind of like pulsating versus this one where it just keeps on going. Pressure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can have heat or not. When heat turns on, the light turns on as well. Infrared receiver right there. I can turn it off, turn it on. P left and P right. This is to knead it intermittently or knead it continuously. So now this is continuous. Intermittent. And I think this left P and right P does the same thing. Intermittent. Yep. Plus and minus is actually the pressure. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yep, okay. Now that we kind of know the basics of how this works, 5 pressure levels, intermittent kneading or continuous kneading, you can turn the heat on or off. So now I'm gonna stick my feet in it and give it a try. Alright. This is probably not very safe. Let me get back on the floor. So now I'm gonna put my feet inside this thing. Okay, and let me just turn it on. Turn it on, it says 15 minutes. Right now it's a little bit too light, so I'm gonna increase the pressure. Pressure 2. I can hear like little air pumps or something. Okay, I can feel pressure now. It's like a light handshake kind of squeezing my feet. The pressure turns on, and then relaxes it a little bit and then comes back on. I feel like I can take a little bit more, so I'm gonna go to pressure level 3. Yeah, this is comfortable. So let me go one more. I just want to try the whole range of pressures. Pressure level 4. It's pumping it some more. Ooh. Yeah. This is getting pretty firm. It's kind of like a masseuse. You're like, now you can see over here it says 13 minutes. I'm gonna go one more. This is 5, the highest pressure level. Okay. It's really hard. Ow, ow. Okay. Ow, 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 ow. I'm actually kind of surprised that this thing would actually squeeze your feet. I think 4 is okay, but after being squeezed by the 5, my foot feels like a little sore, so I think I'm gonna go through pressure level 3 just for now. P right arrow or left arrow does the same thing, and I think it does intermittent kneading. Okay, I can feel that. It goes stop. I like it continuous. So this whole time the heat is on. So I actually feel like level 4 for me personally is, the best level of pressure. The pressure is mainly on the forward part of your foot, not on the back part, because it doesn't have anything to grip onto your foot and then push on the back heel area. I guess I can just step on it a little bit. I can pull it back like this and kind of give it a little bit of pressure like this instead. It's like it needs a little bit of guidance where you put your foot on. You try to convince it to like massage a spot where you want. I kind of generally like the inner part of my heel, the arch area to be massaged. It feels the best over there for me. So anyway, I'm 5 minutes into this. Feels reasonable. Pressure level 5 is definitely too hard for me, but this is good for some people. I do have to mention that these massage things, you got to be careful with them because you can actually let it massage you too much and you can actually injure yourself if you're not careful. So you really can't just say, okay, massage machine, do anything you want to me. If you feel like something, you know, is not right, you should really actually turn it off, set the setting lower or something like that. Okay, so right now you actually can't see all that much. You can't really feel what it feels like through the camera. So I'm going to open this up a little bit and show you guys what it looks like inside. Okay, let's see the underside of this thing. It looks like there's some sort of roller thing here. I mean, nothing you can access. Rubber feet, the power. On one side of this thing, there's actually a zipper. So let's open this up and see what's inside. Oh, okay. And I guess you're supposed to be able to take this out and launder it so then, you know, it won't smell like feet. But then whatever that's further inside over here, I was hoping to be able to get in there to show you guys. But it seems like this is all locked in there. Let me turn it on and show you guys what it looks like. There's like a little nub that goes up and down, and there's like 5 nubs over here that's going in the middle on your arch. And I can feel a few over there. These feel like rollers all the way back there. And then on the inside, I can feel like there's these plastic bladders. These plastic bladders fill up with air and pushes your feet down. Yep. Yeah, you can see if I push against here, you can see the bladder filling up with air. See, there it is. So if I change it back down, it's gonna reduce in pressure. Let me try to put this little sock thing back on. See how hard that is? Not too difficult. So there you have it. This is the Miko foot massager with like a little inflatable bladder inside to push your feet down a little bit more. Having used this for a little while, let me turn this thing off. I do think the pressure level 5 is a little bit too dangerous. It's a little bit too hard. Sometimes it's kind of good to have it be able to be stronger than what you need it to be rather than going, oh, it's not strong enough. So this thing does consume 45 watts while it is on. It kind of wants you to use it only for 15 minutes, and frankly, I think 15 minutes is plenty for your foot, especially when it has this pressure bladder thing. If you guys are interested in this foot massager, check out my affiliate link down in the video description below. Don't forget to give me a like on this video, comment down below, let me know if you use something like this. This is actually my first time sticking my foot in some sort of massager that has this air bladder thing to pressurize it, to give it a little bit more pressure. Let me know if you guys have used something like this before, and as always, don't forget to push that subscribe button and ring that bell icon. Thanks for watching.